Well, good morning. It's Sunday morning and it's a new day. And I'm about to demonstrate the incinerator toilet for you. And if you've never seen an incinerator toilet, this is really interesting. So I'm not really going to do a demonstration. I'm just going to show you how it works. So you have to hope that you don't have to go to the bathroom too badly, because you have to read the instructions to go to the toilet. So first you place the liner in the bowl and you make sure the liner covers the entire area. Then you face the toilet after you use it and you step on the foot pedal on the right side near the floor. Then you press the incinerator button and the waste will fall in. You can use it right away. It takes 10 to 45 minutes as it burns, and you can't use the ceiling fan, or not the ceiling fan, but the overhead exhaust, because it messes up the airflow. So here are the liners that go inside of the toilet, and these are really expensive. I think these are $50 for a thing on Amazon. Yes, I did look it up. And you put a liner inside. So you place your bowl liner in there and you make sure it's underneath the seat completely, and you just do your business. So I'm going to pour a little bit of water in just so it has some weight to go down. So there's your business, whether it's liquid or solid, and then you press the pedal and it goes down in. Close the lid and push the button, and then the fire comes and burns it up into a very fine, even sterile ash. So that's how it works. It's kind of cool. I think these things are, what, Cindy, about $6,000? Yeah, they're pretty expensive, but you have no waste. You don't have to worry about a septic system. It's a pretty cool little thing. That's the incinerator.